So guys, we're back again. Last time I showed you a little bit of a clip on how to take a double seat, any double seat that's in a van, quite a universal thing, and we'll rotate it round because that's a popular thing in the camper van world, to rotate a double seat around. It increases your living area. It's a good thing to do. One of the other better conversions that people tend to do is twin captain seats, and you have a gantry through the middle. Now, unfortunately, most vans come like this one is, so you've got a single driver's seat and a double passenger seat. And the biggest one you're going to have is, I don't know if you can show it on this video from this angle, but when you unbolt a double seat, you unbolt it all the way to the floor. You unbolt a single seat, you unbolt it about this point here. So you probably can't see on that camera, but just below that is what we call the pedestal. The seat box, the seat frame, and you need a single seat frame to put a single seat on. So when you unbolt a double seat and you have to unbolt it down here, you've got no single seat box to bolt your new seat on. So what I intend to show you how to do this time round is we're going to reduce this seat, or rather the seat frame. I've already bought another matching seat to this one. So what I want to do now is to replicate the seat box. I can't show you because it's just the wrong angle, but there is a seat box in there. So what I want to do is to show you how to get the same frame that's on that out of what you've got left after this. Now I'm also going to have a little bit of another dabble as well, because what you can do if you're up against a budget is to physically cut all the upholstery down as well. Now this seat doesn't lend itself very well to do that. It's what they call an injected molded seat. So the way that works is the seat cover is laid down into a mold, and then the foam is sprayed in a liquid form, and it actually glues itself to the upholstery of the seat. So it's not an easy thing to do to separate it. I will have a go. Like I say, if I can physically show you how to reduce the seat frame and reduce the seat, I will do. I suspect I'll cause more damage than I'll recover from it. So, but like I said, the main part of this video is to show you how to. What we're going to do is cut off the frame. But we need to do it in a legal and safe way. We don't need to just go in willy-nilly at it. I also appreciate that not everybody out there has got a weld and got fabricating skills. So again, I'm going to go a bit of a difficult way around from my point of view to show you how to cut that down and basically make that legal enough and strong enough to take another seat on. Hi guys, well, as you can see, the seat's in and it's rotated, and that is a way of saving quite a lot of money. And I'll tell you for why. As you know, vans come with a double passenger seat. If you want to do this conversion, we've got two twin captain seats in, you will need a single seat box. You take out that double seat, it goes all the way to the van floor. Because vans come with that double seat, it's the same vans that's going into the breaker's yard. So you're going down there, expect to spend, you know, 20, 30 pounds on a single passenger side seat box. You're not going to find one. You're going to have to go to the dealership and spend several hundreds of pounds. This little bit of a hack shows you how you, at home, basic DIY skills, no welding experience, can do that. And it's done in a legal and safe manner. You save yourselves a lot of money. You've got everything you need. You've got the way it mounts to the floor there, it's all reinforced. The actual structure itself is reinforced. The technique we've shown you is stronger than any weld's going to be. And if you want to know some more details, it's obviously we just flashed through the video thing there for you, but if you want to know actually how we did that stage by stage, we actually fetched some instructions out, and it will show you how you do that. Not just an our van, any van. Doesn't matter, completely universal. The technique is always the same. And it's about getting that symmetry. It shows you how to get that, it shows you how to get the right height so you're matching that side. Obviously symmetry is important so it rotates around without clashing and striking on here. And it'll show you that technique, how you do it without any welding. It's very much worth a watch. Like I said, the link's in the description. It's done in, and I don't want to sound condescending, I really don't, but it's done idiot proof. It's literally stage by stage. There's little video clips which shows you exactly what to do stage by stage. It shows you where the parts you need only cost about £10, but it'll show you where you can get them parts from. There is one or two pitfalls. It shows you how to avoid them pitfalls as well. Like I say, it's worth the watch. So hit that link in the description. It'll show you where you can buy these seats from, the adapters, the swivels, everything you need, the parts. You need to convert that. It's all there for you.